Indoor and outdoor games.
All sports and games help us to keep fit and enjoy ourselves. Indoor games. Some popular indoor games are chess, ludo, carom, marbles, monopoly, scrabble, Chinese checkers, boxing, ice hockey, karate, table tennis, squash, etc. Indoor games have many advantages. They can be played throughout the year, as seasonal changes do not affect them. They are very popular where the space is limited, weather is unreliable, or the area is polluted. Moreover, many indoor games help the elders and the children to play together and bond in a fun-filled way as well as compete with opponents. Some indoor games like table tennis, squash, dribble and snooker require special equipment and a hall. They can be played and watched by thousands of people. Games like badminton, volleyball, and basketball can be played indoors as well as outdoors.
Outdoor activity. It supplies fresh air to the lungs, refreshes the mind in a natural environment, and keeps the body fit. Everyone enjoys freedom from enclosed space, stale air, and cocoon environment. Moreover, most outdoor games involve large number of people and hence develop the qualities of team spirit, cooperation, tolerance, and leadership. The outdoor sporting activities have a greater mass appeal as compared to indoor ones. Without a doubt, cricket is the most popular game in India. Indians enjoy all formats of the game, whether test or one-day match or 2020. Cricket is played, watched in stadiums or even on television by thousands of people. The national game of India is hockey. At one time, India was a world champion, and now our hockey players are trying to regain the same position with training and determination. The other popular outdoor games are football, lawn tennis, polo, horse riding, etc. Kabaddi and Kho-Kho have been popular in India since olden times, especially in rural parts. But in recent times, Kabaddi has become very popular. Both the games are very good for physical fitness, quickness of movement, mental alertness, and team spirit. Moreover, they do not require any expensive equipment and can be played anywhere. Many people enjoy cycling, skating, walking, or jogging in parks. Yoga classes are also a great attraction in parks and yoga centers. The old as well as the young practice pranayama, breathing techniques, and asanas, body postures. Some people also enjoy exercising in open spaces.
Hide and seek can be played anywhere. One player closes his or her eyes while the other players hide. The seeker has to find all the other players. The first one found is the next seeker, and the last one found is the winner of the round. In hopscotch, boxes are drawn on the ground. The players throw a flat marker into each box. Then the player hops on one foot from box to box, lifts the marker, and hops out of the drawing. Tops are made of wood, bamboo, or plastic. Some tops light up as they spin. Rubber band jump is played in China. In this game, children loop many rubber bands together to make a large rope. Two players hold the rope with their legs. Another player jumps over and into the rope. Kabaddi originated in South Asia. It is known as Huttutu in Western India, Hadodo in Eastern India and Bangladesh, Chedu Gudu in Southern India, Gudu in Sri Lanka, and Thichub in Thailand. Children play games to pass time and have fun. Games that are played inside a building or a house are called indoor games. Some popular indoor games are carom, ludo, monopoly, chess, and table tennis. Games that are played in open spaces such as parks and stadiums are called outdoor games. Popular outdoor games include cricket, football, golf, tennis, and volleyball. Some games such as badminton, basketball, and tennis can be played both outdoors or indoors.